Hey guys, what's going on? So after working on Maracas for a long time, I decided to go to the local meet. It's called Culture Nights. So my plan is I'm gonna meet up with my friend Jonas. He's driving slammed Mazda, and then we're gonna go wash cars. Then we're gonna go pick it up his girlfriend and go probably eat something at like Waffle House. And then from there we're gonna hit the Culture Nights meet. And so I'm gonna do a little coverage of meet so you can see what's going on and the car scene here. And just follow my vlog. See you guys in a little bit. We just washed the cars. Now we're gonna go pick it up to Jonas's girlfriend, and then we're gonna go to Waffle House. We're gonna eat some, and then we're gonna go to the car meet at 7 p.m. So, this is my buddy Jonas. And
what's up?
Yes. What's your Instagram name?
Jonas P 666 maybe.
Yeah, so follow him.
Yeah.
I'll post the link below and check his build. Look at this low Mazda. There you go. Check his channel out. Not channel out. What is it called? The profile, Instagram page.
Yeah.
Once it's on, it's on.
But you take them out.
What's your Instagram?
My Instagram is Karsadid.
Damn. So you're gonna check it out, guys, on Instagram. This is my family.
Hi.